come to save the day.
Hi, it's Neil from Mighty Little Green Machine. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to cut down the tree. As you watched my last video, I couldn't get out. I couldn't push over because I couldn't get the right angle, and I'm missing a tooth on the backhoe bucket. And then hopefully get the stump out and clean up this dirt. And then I'll be done with the top of the road with everything. And I can go down and start working on finishing up the bottom. So let's get started. By moving this dirt out of my way. I'm going to leave it up here for now because I don't want that bank to go as far back as it's opened up. And then I'm going to try and get the rest of the stump out and then clean this all up, and this will be done. In theory, other than rock. Oh, goodness gracious. Somebody asked me about the wheel spacers I have on here. I have 2-inch wheel spacers, and then asked me if I was still happy with them. And yes, I have not really. I don't ever feel like I'm unstable. Even if it's a pretty hairy situation. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong. If I way overdo it and don't pay attention, I can get myself in trouble. But really, it's just so stable. And the other nice thing about these is it doesn't widen the rear end over widen it. So my 4-foot attachments that I have, like my box blade from my old tractor, still work pretty good. Still covers the feet of the wheels, I mean. But so I'm very happy with it. Hopefully the rest of this stuff doesn't take too long. It's actually working out good. The rocks are rolling down the hill out of the dirt. Keep it separate. As much as it'd be nice to have a bigger machine, I really can't complain about how this thing has done this. You know, obviously it takes a little longer, but it's done everything I've asked of it. And the nice thing about not having a bigger machine is some of the stuff I do, I really need to get in smaller places. So this fits better. The more I get out of here now, the easier it'll be. I think what I'll probably do is push this back into this hole once I get the stump out and then see where that leads us. I don't know if you guys can see over here now. I think I might be in the way. Rock. This will be the last bucket anyway, though. Now I'll start digging again. Okay, so I'm going to do this in time lapse because it's going to take a while. So we can kind of make sure this video doesn't get too long. Okay, this stump is kicking my butt. I don't even know if you can tell how much digging I've done. It's insane, but it's finally loose. So hopefully I'll have it out soon, and then we'll get back to what I really want to do and get this cleaned out. I still got a lot of cleanup to do here, but you can see what I'm headed for. The orange stake to that orange stake. So I'm gonna bring this up to around here and just kind of flatten this out again and then put more rock down again, obviously. That'll give me absolutely plenty of room to get the truck and the trailer in here. So I hope you enjoyed this. That stump kicked my butt. I was hoping to get more done than this, but there's nothing really I can do now. So we're going to call it a night. It's getting cold. It's going to rain. I don't think I'll be out here for a few days because it's going to get real wet and yucky. I think I might have to box blade all this too. But I'll finish cutting out the hill and then reshape the hill where I took the stump out. Kind of get everything nice. There's a whole pile of rocks to get rid of as usual. But that's it. I enjoyed having you along with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you next time on Mighty Little Green Machine.